In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a digital signature to a PDF with a date and timestamp using Adobe Acrobat DC. If you've ever found yourself needing to validate a document digitally, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can confidently add your digital touch to any PDF. Whether it's for business, legal, or personal use, making sure your documents are signed and timestamped correctly is crucial. Let's begin by opening the PDF document that you wish to sign in Adobe Acrobat DC. If you haven't installed Adobe Acrobat DC yet, you'll want to do so first. Once you have your document open, your next move is to access the Certificates tool. This is simple to do. Go ahead and locate the Tools option in the upper left corner of the interface and select it. Now, you should see a list of various functionalities that Adobe Acrobat offers. Among them will be the Certificates option, so go on and click it. With the Certificates tool now activated, you will see a new set of options appear on your toolset. Look for the Digitally Sign button within this certificate toolbar. Clicking this button will start the digital signing process. You should receive a message prompting you to proceed. Hit OK to confirm and move on to the next stage. Now it's time to decide exactly where you want your digital signature to appear on the document. To do this, click and drag your mouse to create a rectangle in the area designated for your signature. This visual step helps ensure your signature appears exactly where you want it on the page. Once you've placed the signing rectangle, you'll be greeted by the Sign with a Digital ID dialog box. At this stage, you'll want to make sure you select the correct digital ID that you'd like to use for this specific signing. After confirming your choice, simply click Continue. Up next, you'll get to the fun part, configuring the appearance of your signature. A new window will appear displaying a preview of your signature. Here is where you can customize the look and make sure that both the date and time options are selected within the appearance settings. This is vital for adding that crucial timestamp alongside your signature to authenticate the precise moment it was made. To wrap things up, you'll be prompted to enter your password. This is essentially your key to officially signing the document, so ensure that you enter it correctly. Once that's done, proceed by clicking Sign to finalize the process. You'll see your signature appear where you placed it, complete with the date and time embedded right alongside it. And there you have it. You've just added a digital signature to a PDF complete with a date and timestamp using Adobe Acrobat DC. With these steps, you'll ensure your documents retain their integrity and authenticity, making this an invaluable skill in today's digital documentation world. Thank you for joining me today.